Welcome back to another video. In today's video, Eric's going to be finishing up a C7Z. Matt's starting on a Stage 5 Camaro build. Kyle's going to be finishing up two C6Zs. And Fran's going to be tuning a Stage 4 ZL1 and a C6Z.
Anyways, finally got it back from the body shop yesterday. So we're gonna jump right in. Stage 5. Piston, rod, procharger, cam, fuel system, meth, P3 gauge. Well, we're gonna more than double the horsepower, so
yeah,
it's always fun. It's fun times.
It's got no blower on it.
Yeah, no blower right now. But the exhaust is fully stock, manifolds are stock.
Yeah, it's getting everything. Headers, forward blower, upper pulley, air intake, throttle body. I'm putting the guy wants us to install like a carbon lip for him on the front.
Okay.
Which I'll be doing that. And then blower on the stock bolts. So yeah, that's what I'll be up to.
Yeah. That and dreaming about your vacation.
We got a little package from our boys at Cords. Dear Bill, this is a gift from Joe to Fran for his V3. Oh, a little expansion tanky.
Oh,
Look at that.
Nice guy.
oh nice.
That's pretty nice. I was hoping for popcorn or something, Joe. Like, come on.
Thanks, buddy. Now I need to get it back on the schedule. So probably in like 4 more months I'll be able to install that. It's back at my house now. Well, Arizona guys don't know. It gets like cold here, so we like don't drive our cars for like months at a time.
Yeah.
Got a full stage 4.
Full stage 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Full stage 4 and a P3 gauge.
Alright.
So, yeah, pulley and stuff.
Not wrong, just like not exactly right.
I actually didn't get a blower pulley because it's no meth.
Okay.
So we're trying to keep the boost down. Didn't work that great because it's still making like 18.5 pounds. On 31% E right now. I mean, it's more power than I thought it was going to make. The guy was hoping it'll make 800.
On E?
Yeah. I don't know if it'll make 8, but it's going to make more than I thought it would probably make.
first couple pulls on E. You're doing 17 and a half, 17, almost 18 pounds of boost.
Something cool?
What's that?
How about this rat's nest back here?
Oh yeah, that was this car. Oh man. What a guy you are. Going.
Huh? Yeah, I think I'll call this vacuum. Got him!
Nice. Oh no.
Too bad she never sucked. I said, too bad she never sucked.
I wanted to say it because Jeb, like, when he hears something funny that he knows he's not supposed to laugh at, he's like,
You're right to do that. I like quiet laugh. Yeah. Throwing the headers in. Looking good. Get some American racing headers. Ooh. Dude, that pizza didn't slow you down one bit.
huh?
That pizza didn't slow you down one bit.
Yeah, but you can see.
This is the greasiest pizza I think I've ever eaten.
Yeah, dude. Shit was literally killed me.
You know how you eat like a lot of pasta and you just feel real slow after?
Yeah, I literally feel like death.
That's the feeling. And then we gotta wait for the blower to come back and then...
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, is it? You got it already? Damn. That was fast.
The only thing I'll be waiting on after today is the TCM, and then I'll be here tomorrow.
It's pretty...
Holy shit, we've got full separation between the engine and transmission.
Oh yeah.
Exciting. Oh, that was uneventful. Alright, get her out of there.
Isn't uneventful good?
Sometimes.
Not well. Depends on the situation, I suppose.
Fairly. Fairly does, Squirrely Dan.
Squirrely Dan? That's a new one.
Oh, I guess I should drain the oil.
You didn't do that yet?
Yeah, man, you didn't do that yet?
That's helpful.
That's going to be really helpful. Luckily, I just saw this steady stream that reminded me that this thing is full of oil.
Almost made a rookie mistake.
Yep. Holy shit, I mean, this thing is like really ready to cut. I need to get this thing out. This thing's got to get out of here now. Oh, looks like I didn't. There we go. Pop that pin out.
Kyle, I never would have pegged you as a Christmas guy.
Oh, big Christmas guy.
Yeah.
This thing used to come in his room in the middle of the night and tickle his paint.
Yeah, it's the first action I ever got.
That's a little aggressive, but
Ever since then,
ever since then.
looking for those chestnuts.
was gonna say, on Kyle's chin or something.
That was that's the remainder of it though, right? Just the MSD was the last thing.
Yeah, I gotta mess with the exhaust still. It's like the one on the passenger side by the muffler is just literally resting right on the transmission. I have no idea why.
Okay.
I was messing with it for like 20 minutes. I'm like, I want to get everything else done because he's still got to flash it. So ready to start.
You just call Siri a bitch.
Well, she is.
That's great. Nice.
Yeah, this thing just got a clutch. I actually remote tuned this for the guy. It's not our heads cam setup on it, but I think it's got like Texas speed heads, like a BTR 3 or 4 cam, I don't remember, and shit like that. He just went like 1018 and 137 or something like last weekend on the stock clutch, and the clutch was all f***ed up. So then he asked that, maybe it was a couple weekends ago, whatever, but he asked us to do a clutch in it, so he did a clutch, and then he's like, can you throw it on the dyno when you're there? And I always like to see how close like my remote tune stuff is versus like then someone bring it in and I just make a pull on it and like actually see what it does. So I told him we throw it on the dyno, and then I'll clean up whatever I need to clean up and we'll see what it makes. My guess is it probably makes, judging 137, it probably makes like a little over 600, 610 maybe. But I don't know, the stock clutch probably limiting some of that, so it may make more. We'll see. Dead on the money air fuel up top. It's actually a little fat down low, but then it clears up to like 12.3, 12.4 up top. I don't think I'll be able to pick up anymore, honestly, but I'm gonna try. But timing's like, you can tell it's just there because it's like just trickling knock sensor, but I'm gonna add a half a degree and lean it out down low. And then it's probably good. Me and this guy went back and forth with a bunch of different files, so. I'm still taking a half a degree of timing out from what's in it now. Not that that'll affect horsepower much, maybe 3 or 4, but I mean, for a remote tune, it air fuel dead on and it was pretty damn close. So, like if he wanted me to, like if he sent me data logs from the track, like, and stuff like that, like I could turn it up a little bit, but 90% of them, like, it was perfectly fine where it was at, so 8 horsepower ain't gonna make a f***ing shit of difference. All that done.
I do our tank and then I gotta do an intake. The headers, everything, blowers on.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. Is it getting an upper pulley or?
It did.
It did? You already put it on?
I didn't put it on. Greg does it.
Oh, they do it when they port it?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice of them.
I'm guessing. Well, not guessing, but
Yes.
you're waiting on the Mamo or the MSD as well on this one.
Yeah, I'm still waiting on valve covers for it too.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Hopefully
Taking off these hideous things.
Yeah, hopefully those RPM valve covers come in.
The professional paint valve covers.
Yeah. Professionally painted.
And I can finish doing the oh fuck you. Catch can. I got 2 more hoses to run for the catch can. Getting there.
Yeah, good man.
Going from 3 cars I'm waiting on parts on to 2 cars I'm waiting on parts on.
Well, I mean, that's 1 less than 3, so
We're moving.
we're making progress. That's a clever little way to store the bolts too.
Yep. You
Aren't
get
you?
these plates from Motion Raceworks, and they're great.
Yeah. I mean, we use them all the time.
Nice little plug for our friends.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it. It's nice. It's got all the different holes. So, like, if I'm doing a manual car, I put it in the center hole. There's extra way to the clutch. This one I'll go in the forward hole.
I see. Ooh. A little wild with it.
Pretty hype.
Would you?
Ready to get this thing out of here.
Yeah.
Rotor mounts are slightly in my way. Let's see what we can do here. Now this thing would roll.
Yeah, you had this problem last time. Still didn't get new casters for it.
Yeah, I was gonna say someday I'll get new casters for it. We won't have this issue anymore, but
Yeah, the one time every 4 weeks that you use it.
yeah.
That thing's gone forever.
Now on to the rods and pistons. I have to get everything else off.
Oh yeah, the black one. I opened the trunk like back in there, get it.
What are you gonna call this one? Stage 5 to your mama?
Something like that, yeah. Probably.
That'd be sick.
Coming up soon, we're going to be tuning the silver C6Z, the blue C7 Eric worked on, and tune the Chevy SS and the blue Pro Charged Camaro.